Michael Valeo here. Today's video we'll be talking about our line of FTE hydraulics and going over some of the benefits of the pre-filled hydraulic assembly. Now, the pre-filled hydraulic unit consists of the master cylinder, slave cylinder, and any of the hydraulic lines. It can also be sold with the concentric slave cylinder bearing where applicable. These systems are bolt-on and ready to install, complete with any of the mounting hardware and heat shielding where applicable. But the greatest benefit to the system is the fact that it's pre-filled, pre-bled with the hydraulic fluid in it. This can save significant time during the repair, and the only time that it would need to be bled is if the master cylinder cap has been removed or if you notice a leak during installation. With the OEM quality and reliability of FTE's hydraulic systems, this makes it a great simplified solution for your next clutch hydraulic repair. To check out more of these pre-filled units and to check out the rest of our product catalog, please visit our website, valeoservice.us.